Once an employee registers under the Shops Establishment Act, there are certain obligations that he or she has to meet, like providing safe working conditions, providing basic amenities to workers in the establishment, first aid, canteen, creche facility, special committee for women, etc. And also in the recent times, we have seen due to the pandemic, the employer has to ensure that all his employees are vaccinated. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one such important duty or responsibility of the employer. Hello friends, I'm Veena. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we will be seeing what is the obligation of an employer to have the notice board displays and some exhibits on the notice board. What are these displays or the abstracts of the Act under the labor laws? The registration certificate or the RC under the Shops and Commercial Establishment Act or the Factories Act, abstract under the Shops and Commercial Establishment Act, abstract of the Payment of Bonus Act, abstract of Payment of Wages Act, Minimum Wages Act, Register of Employees under the Contract Labor Act, abstract under the Maternity Benefit Act, abstract of the Payment of Gratuity Act, Factories Act. There are few more. Sexual harassment of women at workplace with anti-harassment policy, having details of name, addresses, email, phone number of the member of the Internal Complaints Committee or the ICC. Apart from the abstracts, there are also certain displays which have to be done on the notice board. Now let us see which are these. Holiday list for the current year, a child labor declaration stating that you are not engaging any child labor, Child and Adolescent Labor Act with amendments, abstract of the Model Standing Order, and notice under the minimum wages in Form 9A, providing the minimum rate of wages paid, time of the payment of wages with date of payment, mentioning the wage period also, notice under the Payment of Gratuity Act with name of person responsible to receive communication from the Labor Department under the rules, weekly off hours, business hours, rest time, etc. Inspection books under the Shops and Commercial Establishment Act, PF and ESI. You have to keep separate books for each of these. Now there is a question as to where should the displays be done and in which language. Display of notice board should be in such a conspicuous place that when the inspector visits the establishment for inspection, these abstracts and notices should be easily visible. The other requirement is also that it should be visible to the employees of the establishment so that he or she is aware of the rules regulation under the various acts and also what are the benefits he or she is eligible for. Ideally, in large organizations, it can be put up in canteen area or at the entrance of the establishment where the employees' visits are frequent. Displays on notice board should be in English language and in a language where majority of the employees understands it. Do we display all abstracts and where to get the abstracts? Friends, there are ready printed charts available in the market selling labor law books. I have provided the names of a few shops where you can buy them. So please do go to the description box and check out for the name. The abstracts come in a set and hence you will have to display all the abstracts, although for some establishments certain acts may not be applicable until you meet the requirement of the acts. And all the displays come under the state and the central acts. There is also some penalties in case the exhibits or the abstracts are not available or not being displayed. So let us see what is this consequence. Failure to have the abstracts and notice board displays can attract fines, penalties and even prosecution. The authorities have unrestricted power and hence can take full advantage to harass the employer for trivial and any unintentional lapse. So friends, please ensure to have them in place to avoid any fines and penalties. I hope the video has been very helpful. Please do share with your friends and also subscribe in case you are visiting my channel for the first time. Thank you for watching.